All right, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Paulman called me this morning, said, you know, you need to come over. I got an idea. He doesn't have a Christmas tree in his house yet, so we're going to pick one up on his Corvette.
Merry Christmas!
So if you don't know about the C5 Corvette yet, this thing is Vortech supercharged with a cam and a built motor, making about 600 horsepower to the wheels. And today, we're going shopping with it. What do you think, Paulman?
This is my grocery getter.
You mean your tree getter?
My tree getter.
Yeah, it's going to get a tree today.
Now, some people might think it's a cardinal sin to ratchet strap a full-ass tree on here, but we got a special relationship. We could do things a little bit dirty around here.
Yeah. And this is glass, so that shouldn't scratch. This is vinyl, so we don't care about it. And this is glass. So I don't think it's going to scratch it much.
Plus, I got a tarp and a positive attitude.
That's all you need. Probably asking me, why, Mike? Why on earth would you be going to pick up a Christmas tree in a Corvette when you got a truck right there? Do it for you guys. We do it for you guys. That's why. So let's get in the cars, go to Home Depot, go pick up this Christmas tree.
See you there. You know, we were actually supposed to do this last week, but it was snowing like crazy. And Reach was the angel on my shoulder. I was the devil. Because I'm like, let's just do it. I can drive at a 45-degree angle to Home Depot. It's not that far. He was the one who talked me out of it. It's probably a good thing that he did. Otherwise, he'd be using that truck of his to pull me out of a ditch. And now here we are a week later. It's like 55 degrees and it was raining. Midwest is a weird place, man. It's wild.
You think he knows what we're doing? Hopefully he doesn't turn around and follow us. Is it illegal to drive a Corvette with a Christmas tree? I have no idea.
Just because I just noticed this, I don't know if you guys know this about Jorts, but come here, let me show you something. My exterior temperature stopped working at the perfect temperature. Always 69 degrees in here. We're at the Home Depot. And the cool thing is, they got everything we need. Man stuff, tools, and Christmas trees, and Christmas decor.
We say man stuff, but we're walking towards the garden section.
Men can garden. I made some wicked peppers. Okay, I found them. I found the Christmas trees. I just gotta find the right one. I'm not gonna pick a small one just because it fits better on the Vette. I want a full 7-8 foot tree. I'm full of Christmas cheer. But let's get Reach and try to find the right one. This man literally disappeared. He was just next to me, I swear. He ain't outside. Let's go back inside. Wait a minute. I found him. He's ridiculous, dude. To buy one already. Dang. I found it. She's an 8-footer. Check this puppy out. Oh, that's a nice tree. She'll go on the Vette real well.
You want some help, buddy?
No, I'm doing good struggling over here. Thanks.
Yep.
We gotta wrap this puppy. Do they have it? Oh yeah, we do. You're the best. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
All right, we're back. And there comes Paulman. Got the Christmas tree in hand. Seems a little excited about it.
I am so pumped to put this tree on that car.
So you got your towel? Or your bed sheet?
Okay, it's a big tree.
It's gonna be long.
This might be the new mod for next year, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe people can start
It's like a Type R. It's like a Type R sticker. It adds horsepower.
throwing luggage racks on Corvettes, maybe.
Yeah.
That could be a new thing.
I actually think the luggage racks on Corvettes are pretty sweet.
We are trendsetters, you know.
Yeah, yeah. There goes your tree.
Pending.
Your tree's moving off.
Trademark. Hang your hat out. Luggage racks on Corvettes.
Yep, yep. I'm gonna say this is nice. Normally, I'm the one doing the work. I'm just filming today. This is great. Don't get used to this?
Don't get used to this.
Yeah, next week I'll be in the garage as a slave again.
Who let you out of that hole? I use this for painting and for hauling shit on the Corvette.
I guess I should help. Do you got it or you need my help?
Oh, beefcake! I think that's the way to go.
Oh yeah. Alright, now we gotta figure out how to strap this thing down. Is your toe strap long enough?
If not, we'll use 2.
Oh, you got 2. Nice.
I brought 4. I came prepared. Ho, ho, ho.
Spreading some holiday joy. You know how to work that thing?
I ain't got a license for this.
Certified ratchet strapper.
Whoops. That's one. Let's do one
if
more.
you tighten them more, all you need is 1, I think.
I brought 4. Let me use them.
All right. Let's go back on the other side. Here, hand it to me this time.
Listen, we already determined I don't give a shit about this car. You know, it means a lot when you're the one who's feeling for my car and I don't care.
Well, you went off the deep end, so I got to show a little bit of
remorse.
Yeah. There goes your weather stripping, by the way.
Didn't we say we were going to replace it?
I think we've been saying that for 2 years.
I think, remember?
Cue the intro for the Supercharger.
Yeah. So what we're going to do today is replace the rubber.
No. Cut.
That was the olden days. I feel like I'm old now. I think we're doing pretty good.
Yeah, I think we're dialed. Oh yeah. Ain't going anywhere. Before you go, there's one more thing to really get the Christmas spirit up. You gotta wear this on the way home.
Oh, this is better.
It's a nice sleigh you got there.
Santa upgraded.
You know how fast kids are gonna get their presents now?
Not the way I drive the car.
It's true. They're gonna get it in about 12.1 seconds.
Listen, I'll get them on the back end. I'm not gonna start off too quick. We're still working on 60 foots. I don't know how many times I can tell you. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Frosty the snowman was a jolly happy soul.
I think he's singing to himself. Look at him. He's definitely singing to himself. Are you singing to yourself?
Merry Christmas!
so. How was the drive?
Job well done.
Yeah.
She's still up there, huh? Thankfully for the glass roof, I can just visually.
Yeah, you can see if it's still there.
There's a lot of people hooting and hollering at me, and I was just trying to spread Christmas cheer.
Were a lot of kids chasing you for
A
cars?
lot of them.
Yeah.
They're like, I want car parts. Like, don't we all? Job well done. Thank you guys for coming on our Christmas journey. I want to thank you guys for hiding out.
And we'll see you on the next episode.
Merry Christmas.